Rosemary, a fragrant herb often used in cooking, has been recognized for its medicinal properties for centuries. One of the most popular ways to consume rosemary is through rosemary tea, which has been known to help with a range of health issues. We will discuss the diseases that can be healed with rosemary tea and how to use it. Diseases that can be healed with rosemary tea. Headaches. Rosemary tea has anti-inflammatory properties that help reduce headaches. The tea helps increase blood flow to the brain, which can relieve headaches caused by tension and stress. Digestive issues. Rosemary tea can help relieve digestive problems such as bloating, gas, and constipation. The tea works as a natural digestive aid by increasing the production of bile, which helps break down fats. Anxiety and stress. Rosemary tea can help reduce anxiety and stress. The tea contains compounds that act as a natural sedative, which can help calm the nerves and reduce anxiety. Arthritis. Rosemary tea has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce the inflammation associated with arthritis. The tea can help reduce joint pain, stiffness, and swelling. Respiratory problems. Rosemary tea can help relieve respiratory problems such as coughs, colds, and asthma. The tea works as a natural expectorant, which can help loosen phlegm and mucus in the respiratory tract. High blood pressure. Rosemary tea can help lower blood pressure. The tea contains compounds that help relax the blood vessels, which can reduce blood pressure. How to use rosemary tea. Making rosemary tea is simple and can be done in just a few minutes. Here's how to make rosemary tea. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon dried rosemary leaves, 2 cups of water. Honey, optional. Instructions: boil 2 cups of water in a pot. Add 1 tablespoon of dried rosemary leaves to the pot and let it steep for 10 minutes. Strain the tea into a cup. Add honey to sweeten the tea, optional. Enjoy. Rosemary tea can be consumed up to 3 times a day. It's best to consume the tea before meals to help with digestion. Precautions. Although rosemary tea is generally safe to consume, it's important to keep in mind some precautions. Pregnant women should avoid consuming large amounts of rosemary tea, as it can cause contractions and increase the risk of miscarriage. People taking blood thinners should avoid consuming rosemary tea, as it can increase the risk of bleeding.